हाँ जी कहिए।
12 लोगों से कांटेक्ट किए, इतना ट्विटर है, सोशल मीडिया से लोगों से ज़्यादा होता है।
क्योंकि मैं टेक्नोलॉजिकली थोड़ी चैलेंज्ड हूँ और मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता। तो अगर ये ऐप मेरे एक क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे है तो ऑफ कोर्स मेरे लिए कन्वीनियंस हुआ ना।
क्या आप ट्रोल से डरते हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं, लेकिन थैंकफुली मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा ट्रोल नहीं होते अभी। आई होप ये कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद स्टार्ट ना हो, नहीं तो मुझे पता है किसको पकड़ना है।
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट अदर प्लानिंग फ्यूचर? कुछ आने वाले आप बताना चाहे?
अभी मैं अपने साउथ की फिल्म्स कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ और हिंदी फिल्म मैं सितंबर में स्टार्ट करूँगी। आई एम currently working in 2 Tamil films. One is with Ajit and one is with Vijay, and in one Telugu film with Rana.
Kajal, congratulations on this app launch. But the point is that whenever you make any celebrity making a statement on the social media, sometimes it turns controversial. So how to be in limitations for a celebrity to have the presence in the social media so that that controversy doesn't get created on the platform as such.
First of all, thank you. I did not understand what you're asking me. How do celebrities do what?
Make some kind of statement, some kind of irresponsible statement.
They make irresponsible statements.
Yeah.
So then that is their stupidity. I mean, what can anyone else do about it? But, I feel personally that things which are interactive, like for example, for me, this app is going to be very interactive. You can actually clarify misunderstandings. Sometimes what happens is certain things are misconstrued or misunderstood. And with the help of social media or an app or any sort of direct communication that you have with the audience, thankfully in today's day and age, things can instantly be clarified. Or you can put your point across, or you can put your opinion across very clearly. And it obviously has its pros and cons, but I feel the pros outweigh the cons.
But do you think overexposure is good for the celebrity status as such? Because it's kind of overexposure for the celebrity status as such.
Overexposure is never good for anything. Obviously not. But this is not really overexposure. It's not like 24/7 I'll be updating. So if in case you think you're going to be able to stalk me, that's not going to happen. I am not going to 24/7 keep putting up, okay, I'm eating lunch. Okay, now I'm going here. Okay, now, of course not, guys. That's not going to happen. But yeah, y'all will know where I am, which country I'm in, what I'm doing currently in life, or what am I shooting for, or who I'm shooting with, things like that. You know, basic, obviously, information. So there is, of course, a sense of privacy. It's not like this is intrusive of someone's privacy. It's just that it is a convenience-based thing where you can directly communicate as well as have all your social media integrated and make it interactive for your fans, which is just interesting and fun for them. मुझे डिटेल्स नहीं पता इसके बारे में, लेकिन जी मैंने सुना था और ऑफ कोर्स बिल्कुल बहुत बुरा लगा. आई डोंट थिंक कि ऐसे करना चाहिए एंड एवरीवनस एंटाइटल्ड टू देयर ओन ओपिनियन एंड to their own expression to their own freedom of speech, and people should just leave it to that. This is what is over intrusive that you were asking me, not my harmless posts.
Also, just to clarify, this app is also actually meant for super fans. It's Kajal's way of giving love back to the super fans who've loved her for all this while. And so there will be contests, there will be a lot of stuff which fans don't get on social media. Social media now is becoming a one-way street. Here we're bringing it back to a two-way communication.
To what it's supposed to be initially.
Yeah, it's actually supposed to mean like that, right? So the larger it grows, probably somewhere social media, whether it's Twitter or Instagram, it's more a one-way street now. Here you will find it far more interactive, and like I said, Kajal will have the ability to give love back to the fans who make her what she is today.
Thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Lovely chatting with you all.